Um, 5% almost done. Alright, I'm gonna take this dog for a walk. Is the dog outside?
He's in here. Take for a walk.
Yeah.
On the table.
Bruh. No time for kisses. Ah. Ow. Man, stop twitching. Dang, bro. Which? Come on. Oh, they have pop. A pop. Come on. Yeah, I don't know what that sounds like, to be honest. I guess we'll find out later. I left the phone back in the house so that. So I left the phone back in the house because I had to, because just in case. Oh my god, I can't even use this other hand. I'm just doing a vlog right now because I'm not doing a live stream because I can't really do one until like a couple of days. I'll probably start doing them more often, but like I'll be playing basketball for that vlogging channel. I'll be playing soccer, other activities for that account because it'll only be a vlogging channel and maybe a gaming channel eventually. But like because I'll be playing video games on that channel. I would have started the channel when I was younger, but oh dang, there's another car. Another car, bro. Another car. On. Go this way. I just saw like 2 different cars. Might be like a long video. Let me stop. What kind of video would be like? Ooh, I thought I was gonna drop that. Damn. Sorry about that. Bro, look at this dog, bro. I can't even show it off because it's so bad. God dang, bro. I can't even show it off, bro. Come on. Come on. Mother gave me. Oh, come on. You're really gonna use smell? Squirrel. Squirrel. Oh man. This might be like a 15-minute video, maybe. Holy crap. Can't believe my friend gave away my shit like that. I'm mad about that. I'm not going over his house ever again at that point, because when he gave my shit away, I'm like, yeah, like, bro, we never came over, so we just never, like, he just assumed that he could just do that. He could have called me at some point. He could have called me. He could have called me. He could have. He could have called me, bro. He could have. Mm-mm. I'm waiting for these cars to go past. There's probably like more cars down the line. Let's go. Ugh, there's no cars left that I've seen left over. I'm just walking them because I haven't walked them at all in a few months. I'm like, okay, we gotta start walking this dog because I don't like this dog, but I have to walk. I mean, it's not that I don't like him. It's just that I have to walk. I have to walk. I have to do what I gotta do with this dog. Obviously, I don't go outside much, so I'm gonna do it. We'll do an RL. I don't know. I was good in RL, to be honest. I was. I don't know about how I was gonna do it. If you guys haven't already, smash that like button. But because I decided to do it, I had to do a vlog real quick because I haven't done one in a long time. Sorry if I'm showing my teeth. I don't know. My teeth has always been cracked on. I just didn't really care about showing my face that much. I'm doing it more. I'm doing it more often. I don't know which is better, showing my face or dang, dude, this dog is always pulling. That's a. Oh, if y'all can see, look at this dog right here. It's wiggling. My camera's wiggling. My thing is wiggling so bad that you can't even see it. But there's a full dog right here. It wiggles. I think it's so kabust. Sorry about the camera movement. It's so wiggly because I gotta like get a different camera holder because this one is kind of bad. It wiggles a lot. It wiggles. I gotta start wearing my costume at some point. She said her bad anxiety is happening. That's why she ain't gonna go and answer. I had to buy another beanbag chair too, but not to his house this time because I got sent to my house. I gotta buy one more beanbag chair. I gotta like buy one for myself personally, because like everyone else had a beanbag chair except for me, and I gotta go buy one myself. So I can go and see. I gotta go buy one online. Today we're gonna go and doing a vlog, downright vlog. That guy has to be wearing using that motorcycle. I mean, it has to be like one of those bikes I seen before in person. You can buy a motorcycle too. Come on. Must have got scared of dogs. Must have. So I haven't went to this park in a long ass time. Ooh. Why is there big ass dirt right there? Oh, son. Madame a game is done. Mm-mm. I'm not really at that. Whoa. Oh. Mm. Bro, he wiggled my shit too bad. So bad that it wiggled. He wiggled my shit so bad, bro. He wiggled my shit so badly, bro. He almost broke my fucking stand. Seriously, he wiggled my shit so bad. Shit. This thing is so fucking wiggled. You would have to snap it in there just so it can work properly. Damn, he really snapped my shit. Really. Really snapped my shit. Alright, I'm gonna do a test video. I just want to do a test run so I can see if it works. Is this still, can you deposit trash in here? Yeah, you can. Ow, fuck. That shit hurt. I was like, shit, that hurt. I'm finna try something because I have a dog, so I'm gonna try something real quick. I could deposit them right there. I could do that too. And you can be right there the entire time, but it's a squirrel. You can deposit this right here. This shit is so bad. It's so crooked. Hey guys. Let me see if my mic works real quick. Oh, that's okay, great. Yo, what's good, yo? What's good? I did deposit my phone right there for a sec. Oh, am I able to like? So I had to like wrap it around. I had to wrap it, I think. Let me wrap this shit. I had to wrap this shit around. But I have to wrap it around like that. Probably. Try running around now. I have to wrap it around like that. Oh shit. Ugh. The dog's normally like still isn't right behind me. This is my pocket too. Did I bring my wallet? Yeah, I did. Oh man, my hands feel cold, but I feel like I'm like still like I'm still stressed out from like what happened a couple hours ago. Oh man. Oh. If I'm a basketball, I can play basketball here, so I can play some basketball or something. But I'd have to like hold my like basketball while I'm doing a vlog or something like that. I'd have to do a basketball. Let me see if I can. I don't know if y'all got that on film. It's so freaking far away. I need to move just a little bit. I need to get this thing a little closer. Right here. This should be fine. Oh crap, I might be rusty. I was like, nope. Oh. I hit it 3 different times, so I don't know. I guess we'll see what that outtake looks like. So I think I can do it like. Yeah. How long is that? 23? I'm gonna do this for 25 minutes, I think. All right, guys, I'm gonna go over there, walk him out. I gotta walk my dog a bit of ways. So yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Gotta walk this dog a little bit of ways. Come on. Do it. Here we go. Actually, I should probably put this one in the pocket somewhere. Yeah. I don't know what hand. Maybe this hand, but you don't want to put one in the pocket. Or I don't know if you should. I don't know if it matters. You still gotta hold the camera, so you can't do that. All right. Hope this is better. We'll probably end this in like 30 minutes because I do gotta upload this either way. So I can go and like upload this and then then we'll have some percentage left. Eventually, when I have another phone, we'll be able to look at chat and we go live and we'll do like activities like that. We'll do like our real stuff and stuff. And I wish I would have made this channel like a long time ago, but I wasn't really planning on making this channel. But like it's a good way to make some ways to get people to start watching the channel more often. So if you guys have any other ideas or any other plans of comment section, leave it down below if y'all want me to do like basketball videos or football videos or like any type of videos or whatever with a friend or something. I'll try to like or do an RL with it or something. But I'm just gonna walk my dog out pretty much. Hope y'all enjoy. Just like I don't know if you guys see him, but I had to record myself like drinking some pop while I was at it. Sorry about that. My apologies on my RLs, or my apologies on not being active on streaming and saying this word and I almost canceled myself. So I have to really like remember not to be like it's supposed to be jokes aside, but I should have done a video of it because that way it would have been funnier, but it wouldn't have been so ironic. But I don't know. At least I'm getting like a lot of subs today. I mean, well, a couple. So I'm gonna be playing October scary games and stuff. I gotta go buy me another beanbag chair, but I'm not buying one today. But it'll probably be once I like get paid, so I can order one on just one place I go to. I'm gonna have to order it because I gotta order me another one. But that's about it. Pretty much just walking about, just chilling, be walking, vibing. I don't know. I'm letting this dog pee because this dog hasn't used the bathroom in a long time, and it been like it doesn't use the bathroom often. I have to choose places to go use the bathroom, and sometimes it has to use the bathroom over here. And yeah, I'm showing the area that sometimes use the bathrooms at. I've done ROs in a long time, or videos in a long time, like that. Let me know if I should do them every day or every 2 days, just so I can charge my stuff. But I'm trying to do this for like 30 minutes, so I have not done this I don't think I've ever done a 30-minute video like this. That's only for our reels and stuff, or to Instagram. I don't know. I used to be so popular on Instagram. I just don't post like that anymore. Like I didn't. Oh, actually, no. My account got banned. So for some reason, I got somebody to hate me so badly they had to block my or they had to ban my account or they had to like suspend my account. So if you guys had any numerous updates on that, I don't know. It's anonymous. So yeah. But if you guys want me to do videos like this, let me down. Let me comment. Let me know. Don't tell me this dog really just like really went over and did that. Oh my god, bro. Hey, hey. Give me this. Doing that shit on purpose. He keeps doing that. Like he tangles himself up when he eats or looks. He tangles himself up. Like, come on, bro. Like, come on, bro. Yeah, let me know if I should get a camera. I mean, for any of this stuff, but I'm just gonna be chilling. Just walking my dog about pretty much. So I don't know if I should hold it like this. I don't know if my camera's gonna hold like that. I'm gonna get to this bench real quick, right here. October month is crazy. So sorry if you guys stuck this long. Hey, you guys have been watching that long for that bit. I've been watching some fellow YouTubers grow without a doubt real fast. And I was hoping to meet some celebrity, but that ain't happening for a couple of months. I don't think, because unless he does like a Canada stream or something like that for like 2 hours or 4 hours. If it was 24/7, it'd be a fun, good idea. It'd be a fun, jolly time. Yeah, use the bathroom. I'm just asking my dog. Well, not really my dog, friend dog, Big Boy. That's his name. You guys are wondering. I know. I see. How is this charging? Is this dead? That's make sure this thing's dead. Oh, it's not. Oh wow. Hey there. Got a nice dog. I like that dog. I like that dog.
Puppy. He's the puppy.
Oh, he's a cute puppy.
It'd be nice. You didn't get a lot of other dog.
Oh.
I was going when we had her fixed and she died.
Oh wow.
So we just got a new one.
Yeah. Wow. That's a nice
It's gonna
dog.
be big. Both their parents are like there. Quit playing up.
You like to play? Yeah, you too. I wish I would have showed that off. They were playing. That was fun. I wish I would have showed that off, but I wasn't able to really show the dog off. But that was fun. Yeah. He had a fun early time. Oh my gosh. Yeah, he had a fun good time. Good dog. I don't know if y'all heard him, to be honest. I don't know if y'all heard that, but like the dog right there. His dog is right there, by the way. I couldn't really show off like his dog, having fun playing with my dog. Couldn't really do it. But it's pretty cool to see a dog like that. 30 minutes in. Yeah. I gotta put some mic on. I wasn't able to do that. I was trying to do it earlier, but I might just I was trying to take my percent and see if it was good. Oh my god. My god. Alright. Like I need to put this thing on real quick. He didn't even care about my thing. That's crazy. They didn't even care. They must know there's TikTokers out here. They must know. Bro, could you stop playing around, messing around? God dang, bro. Bro. Sorry about that. Alright, come on. We're back. Finally back. Oh crap. But yeah, gotta see the dog, and the dog looks really cool. Yes, that's your community right there. He's a small puppy, really cute one. I'm making this I'm trying to make this like 30 minutes long if I can. Past 30 minutes, like 33 or something, and then to show that we were like uploading this video to meet another dog. I wasn't able to show the dog. I wish I would have, but I wasn't able to because I didn't have the camera angle set on that, so only on me. So maybe next time. Next time I'll show it off the dog that he had. This dog really having engines in his heartbeat. Like he really trying to run. I'm not trying to run, bro. Like I have a camera angle. I'm trying to sit on, making sure this thing not breaking. I got like no occasions again. But yeah, if I was doing this, it would have been different because I don't have somebody else hold the camera for me. But I'm not really going to, so yeah. He must really think I'm a TikToker. He was like, the way I was holding my camera, he must think I'm a TikToker. That's what I'm thinking. He didn't even care. I don't think anybody really cares if I'm being recorded. But I wasn't recording him, so it wouldn't matter because I wasn't recording him. I was recording myself because obviously I'm smart about that. I mean, sometimes I wouldn't just be recording people like that. Also, I have their legal consent, but I don't think he cared. I don't know. Some people don't really mind it. You don't ask their consent. They don't mind it. I'm going this way because I'm going back. I mean, I just walked the freaking mile. You guys can see that, right? I just walked the whole mile. So, those dogs over there too. Y'all can't even see because it's so freaking far away. Alright, guys, look, I'm gonna have to end my video off because I made it to where I wanted to get to. So, yeah, if you guys want to see more like this, I mean, not like this, but leave a comment below. I'll be doing like, I'm like stuttering all over the place. I'm sorry. I'm trying to like thinking and not process it, just thinking and not process it, obviously. let me just start over. So, oh, there's a playground we used to go to all the time last year, or like 2 years ago. We don't do that anymore, like we used to. So basically, I'm gonna do like a walking stream or video, obviously RL, and I'm gonna try to like do like a quick update on what I'm doing, like this. And it's gonna be like me doing like a comment, just comment below, or I'll be in the house, just I'll be in my own crib, obviously, recording like updates. So I'll be like, hey, this is what I'll be doing here, and I'll be doing a video like regular, and then you guys leave a comments like if you guys want to see like, I don't know, like let's just say something random, like y'all want to see me do a basketball video but RL, or for a vlog, or I go to like a store and do a vlog there, and just, I don't know, like buy like, I mean, get some food or something for myself, like snacks and stuff, like I did like last time, and I'll be uploading that to my my main channel and my second channel or something like that, and I'll take parts of this, and I'll probably just be like, but yeah, just let me know if y'all want to see me do like, you know, buying food or something, not buying food, but like showing food that is like Mr. Beast stuff, or you know, do showcases or something, do some like Mr. Beast showcases. Like there's like a bunch of those out there, so I can probably do like that kind of video. But leave me up, like, you know, it'd be like do like buying like I mean, not buying, but do showcases. I'm gonna say showcases, or do do a activity outside, or this is another one, do like a walking video with my you know, with a dog or something, or with a pet. That's about it, you know. That's all I gotta say. Leave a comment about you know, anything, you know, like fidget spinner challenges. Do some challenges. Let me know if you guys want me to do some challenges. That's all I gotta say. You know, just let me know. Let me know. But I'm gonna be doing this for like 10 minutes. That's all I gotta say. Just, you know, four different challenges I gotta do. Just let me know. I'm gonna go back and play some scary games for this channel. So yeah, stream it probably. I'm like making sure I record everything. Like I'm making sure everything is like peachy. But yeah, I'll see you on the next video. So yeah, well, I think, should I make this like 40 minutes? Because originally I was like planning on doing this like, I don't know, I'm just walking. If I should do a 30-minute video, let me know. Otherwise, I'll do I'll probably do a 40-minute video next time. So I'll catch y'all next one. So thanks for watching. Peace out. That was weird. Don't do that again.